Welcome to this morning meditation. This meditation is inspired by the teachings of Venerable Bhante Pannakara. So, first of all, find a comfortable seat and sit comfortably. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breath out. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this 3 times. This is a new day, and this is a new beginning. Life gives us another chance to begin again. No matter what yesterday felt like, this moment is new. This breath is new. You are here, alive, present, and capable of peace. Right? Now, take another deep breath in and slowly breath out. Keep breathing and keep calming down. Keep calming down. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Feel your heartbeat. The Buddha once said, "We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think." When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. Now, say silently to yourself, "Today is a fresh start. Today is a fresh start. I welcome peace into my life. I welcome peace into my life. And I choose calmness over chaos. And I choose calmness over chaos." Now, gently bring your awareness to your body. Relax your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Allow your chest to soften. Soften your lower body. Now feel energy slowly awakening within you. A calm, positive energy. The Buddha taught that the mind becomes what it repeatedly focuses on. So this morning, choose awareness, choose gratitude, choose peace. Every small moments of mindfulness can transform your entire day. The way sunlight slowly brightens the sky. Mindfulness slowly brightens the mind. So now silently repeat within yourself, I welcome this new day. I welcome this new day. I choose peace and clarity. I choose peace and clarity. My mind is calm and focused. My mind is calm and focused. Positive energy flows through me. Positive energy flows through me. I am ready for today. I am ready for today. Now, we spend some time in this peace and try to meditate on your own. Now, take a pen and piece of paper and write. Today is going to be my peaceful day. Today is going to be my peaceful day. And today, no one can disturb my peace. No one at all. Right? Thank you for meditating with me. May you be well, be happy, and be peaceful. Namo Buddhaya.